Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. We are going to go ahead and get started with Lesson 8. Lesson 8, again, focuses on um, ordering rational and integers in order from least to greatest. So today's objective tells us I can write, interpret, and explain statements of order for rational numbers in the real world. Okay? So, what I want you to do, this is the opening exercise. I want you to take some time, pause the video, and try to order these numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so you're going to pause your video, order these in order from least to greatest, and you will be done. Okay, so you should have paused the video and ordered these from least to greatest. And the correct order from least to greatest would be, we have -5 and then -4.1. Then we have -4, -3 and 3/5, -1, -0.6, and then -1/2, 0, 1/4, 1, 2, 2.1, 4.5, 23/5, which equals 4 3/5. Okay, so that's over half. And then the last one is 6. Okay, the biggest number is 6. So check your work, make sure you had these correct. If not, change it. All right, let's go ahead and go on to example 1. Okay, so now we're going to be getting into some word problems. These word problems are going to give us an example, and then we're going to write the solutions in order from least to greatest. Okay, so example 1 says Sam has $10 in the bank. He owes his friend Hank $2.25. He owes his sister $1.75. Consider the three rational numbers related to the story of Sam's money. Write them in order from least to greatest. Okay, from least to greatest. So, this is going to be a positive $10 because that's how much he has in the bank. This is going to be -$2.25 because he owes that to his friend. This is going to be -$1.75 because he owes that to his sister. So the smallest number here is -$2.25. And then we have -$1.75. And then we have $10, how much he has in the bank. Okay, remember, these two, the first two were negative. They're on the left side of 0 on a number line. Okay, $10 is obviously positive. All right, number 2 says, during the most recent visit to the optometrist, which is an eye doctor, Kadisha and her sister Beth had their vision tested. Kadisha's vision in her left eye was -1.50, and her vision in her right eye was the opposite number. Beth's vision was -1 in her left eye and +25 in her right eye. Okay, so we need to order these in order from least, okay, to greatest. So we have -1.50 and its opposite, which is 1.50, and then -1 and +2.5 or 0.25. Okay, so we need to order these in order from least to greatest. The smallest one, obviously, is going to be -1.50. Okay, 1.5, and then -1. Okay, and then we have in the positives 0.25, and then 1.50. And that's my order from least to greatest. All right, number 3 says, there are 3 pieces of mail in Mrs. Thomas's mailbox. A bill from the phone company for $38.12. A bill from the electric company for $67.55. And a tax refund for $25.89. A bill is money that you owe, and a tax refund is a check in money that you receive. Okay, so this is going to be negative 38.12. Then we have negative 67.55. And then this is going to be a positive $25.89. Okay, so the smallest number is going to be negative 67.55. And then negative 38.12. Okay, $38.12. And then the biggest number that we have in this list is $25.89. Okay, that's their order from least to greatest. Okay, so let's go ahead and do one more example, and then I'll let you guys go. It says for each problem, list the rational numbers that relate to each situation in order from greatest to least. So now we're writing the greatest first to least. Explain how you arrived at your order. Okay, so if you want, go ahead and try these two problems on your own. Okay, and so pause the video and then press play when you are done writing these out. Okay, so you should have paused the video and tried these out. The first one says the following are the current monthly bills that Mr. McGraw must pay. Okay, he has $122 for cable and internet, $73.45 for gas and electric, and $45 for his cell phone. So we need to put these in order from least to greatest. These are all bills, so they are all going to be negative. Now, the smallest negative is going to be negative $100.22. Then we have negative $73.45. And then finally we have $45, negative $45 for the cell phone. Okay, so actually that was from least to greatest. What we need to do is write these from greatest to least. So I just need to flip it. So it's $45, negative $45. Okay, then negative $73.45. Then negative $122. Okay, sorry about that. Greatest to least gets a little bit confusing, especially when you're used to doing least to greatest. Okay, last one, number 6, we have negative 1/3, 0, negative 1/5, and 1/8. Okay, so the biggest number is going to be 1/8 because it is positive. Then we have 0. Then we're going to have negative 1/5. And then we're going to have negative 1/3. Okay, and that's the order from greatest to least. All right, lesson summary tells us when we order rational numbers, their opposites are in the opposite order. For example, 7 is greater than 5, negative 7 is less than negative 5. All right, guys, you have a problem set. All I want you to do is number 1. You are not doing B or C, just 1A. Okay, you have columns. You have a table with different columns. Column 1 has your rational numbers. Then column 2 wants you to order those from greatest to least. Then it's asking you which one is the farthest right on the number line. Then it's asking you which number is farthest left on the number line. Okay, go ahead and get started. When you are done, get it turned in. All right, guys, have a great day.